Hi guys, my name is Amber Harris and I'm your marketing consultant. Let's talk about how to increase engagement and increase your sales. So in order to do that, you need to really be able to connect with your audience. And in order to connect with your audience, you need to know 4 key things about them. 1, who is my primary audience? 2, what are their short-term goals? 3, what are the barriers preventing them from achieving those goals? And 4, how can my business help? And honestly, that 4th one is the key. Once you can position your business as a solution to a problem that your audience is facing, that's when you will really start to see that increase in engagement and in your sales. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do just that. So let's go ahead and jump into step 1. Okay, so who is my primary audience? So obviously, anytime you're going to market a product or a service, you're going to want to know who you're talking to. So you're going to want to start with some basic demographics such as age group or gender, whatever may be applicable to your business. But if you really want to connect with your audience, you're going to need to dig deeper than that initial surface level. So some additional things that I would recommend finding out is what are they interested in or passionate about, and what's the reason behind that? Because once you can find out those type of things, you'll know what really drives your potential customers. And behind drive, there is psychology, and there is so much psychology associated with the reason people purchase things that knowing that information will help you better position your business and get you a leg up on the competition. So let me show you what I mean. So for example, my company, IYMC, we serve small business owners. So something that they're interested in is entrepreneurship. And in order to find out the reasons behind that, I just went online and typed in top reasons entrepreneurs start small businesses. And the reoccurring themes that I found was that they want to be their own boss and they want financial independence. So now I know some of their motivators that I can inject into my messaging in order to pull them in more. So step 1 really lays the foundation for everything that we're going to talk about in the next few steps. So let's go ahead and get to step 2. Okay, so what are the short-term goals of my audience? So this is really important to know because this will tell you what your audience needs right now versus what you have to offer. And we'll talk about how to bridge that gap and pull them in later steps. But right now, let's focus on how to identify what are your audience's short-term goals. So in order to do this, all you need to do is go online. And for example, I typed in, what do small business owners need? And just look at a bunch of different websites and articles and pull out reoccurring themes. And only look at articles that are, I would say, at the most 3 years old, because you don't want to pull in outdated information and that will completely throw you off and you'll be focusing in on the wrong areas. But really look for relevant articles and look for things that are relevant to your business. So by that, I mean that you're going to find out that your audience needs a lot of different things. Not everything is applicable to you. So just focus in on the things that they need that you can actually provide. Okay, so you'll see here with my business, as I said, when I typed in, what do small business owners need? Things came up such as increase in profit, digital marketing, increase in traffic, increase in engagement. But other things that came up was help with taxes and employee retention. So those things aren't services that I provide, so I don't pay attention to that, but really focus in on the things that are relevant to your business. So this step is important because it teaches you about the topics that your audience is searching for. So this will allow you to know what portions of your business that you need to highlight in order to grab their attention and find them where they are. So with that said, let's go ahead and move on to step 3. Okay, so what are the barriers preventing your audience from achieving their short-term goals? So this will be a quick one. So all you need to do is go online and type in what do they struggle with and what are their challenges. So I typed in what do small business owners struggle with and what are the challenges that small business owners face. And obviously you'll swap out small business owners for your target audience and just look for those reoccurring themes and only pull out information that is relevant to your business. So this is what I found again when I was searching for my business. So small business owners are limited on time and limited on funds. So this really lets me know, okay, how can I position the delivery of my business in a way that either solves their problem or gets around their problem? And that's what we're going to talk about right now in step 4. Okay, so last but not least, how can I help my audience around their barriers? So in this step, you're going to learn how to position your business for success by determining the most effective delivery by combining everything that we talked about in the previous steps. Let me show you what I mean. So in this step, we're going to answer this question. How can I deliver what my audience, step 1, needs, step 2, in a way that considers their barriers, step 3? So really just think this part through. But here's an example for my business. So we talked about how small business owners have barriers such as limited time and limited funds. So this lets me know that I need to deliver my services through quick tips, limited time, at a low cost, limited funds. So use the information that we discussed in the previous 3 steps to figure out the best, most effective delivery of your business. And that's really it. That's how you build a quick, solid engagement strategy that will resonate with your audience and start to drive up your sales. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you felt about it in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to get more tips. My name is Amber Harris. I'm your marketing consultant, and I'll see you next time.